Once, I used to wonder why stories were written. Why people love stories. I used to listen to folklore, legends, and stories. Who created these folktales? If you live in India and Pakistan, you will find a lot of folklore around saints, Suis, and Devas. You did not find dragons in these folktales. But these stories have some important lessons. Most of the time, it is the power of saints that allows problems to be solved with the help of a mentor. Today, modern man's mind starts asking about these stories. And modern media-driven people found them to be boring and pointless pieces of work. As a layman, I understand and love these folklores. It demonstrates how common men think. The common mind loves the stories. These people will not understand if you say something straight. If you construct a story around the point you want to explain, they will understand why it is important. There are multiple ways to construct a story. There are multiple frameworks for creating a story. The Pixar Storytelling Framework. The Hero's Journey Framework. The Rags to Riches Storytelling Framework. The Big Idea Storytelling Framework. If you want to share a message, build a story around it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.